Hello and welcome to the transcription explanation of this design. I had a lot of fun with this one and playing with a more Art Deco style, so a lot of my swirlier stuff kind of fits more Nouveau, but Deco has lots of kind of really thick and thin lines contrasting together, as well as lots of straight angles and intersections. In fact, I did some Googling of some Art Deco and I saw this sort of a pattern with the V with the line through it happen quite a lot. And yeah, I'm really happy with the effect I sort of got with this. It does feel pretty darn deco as far as what's allowed in the script. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get to how this design says Bridesmaid. So this here is our start and rotation marker, and this tells you where the beginning of our circle is. And that's noted here. And a start marker shows where the bottom is, because reading order is bottom counterclockwise, and it can spiral inwards. So for a longer word like this, we start with the outer word circle and then go to our inner word circle. So here's our first letter. It is a deep divot, so we're in this top row, and there are no dots or lines on it, so that would be a B. Then we continue around. So this little guy, because we have an inner circle, it's closer to the inner circle here and is actually an A on that circle as opposed to an O on that circle, and I tend to indicate the A's by touching the circle they're part of if there could be some ambiguity. So anyway, here's our next letter, and it has 1, 2, 3 dots. The dot size does not matter. I just wanted this pattern to kind of flow with this pattern. So 1, 2, 3 dots means 3-dot column, and that would be an R. Then we have an I, a line going inwards. Then we have this deep divot with 1, 2, 3 dots again, so that would be another D, or this is the first D, here's the other D in this design. And then inside that D we have an E. So in this script, we can choose to put vowels enclosed inside of consonants or by themselves. So this is what an E looks like inside a D. It is a completed circle inside that word circle, and this filled in circle is one of those 1, 2, 3 dots on the D. And then we have an S with 1, 2, 3 lines, and those are these 3 lines here, and they're the same 3 lines on the maid. So that is it for this circle. Then going inwards, bottoms here, we have 1, 2, 3 lines on the M. And then we have the A outside the word circle we talked about earlier. Here's the I, again line going inwards, and then we have a D with 1, 2, 3 dots. So there we have it, Bridesmaid. I hope you like it. Thanks. Bye.